transporting ball sacks across Indian Ocean.
Alrighty, bro. We're doing it.
Move back, move back.
Bro, this is stupid. This freaking.
This dumbass. Oh my god. I'm going to kill this guy.
Alright, hold on. Let's kill him. Yo, come here, retard. Ah! I fell in the water.
Dumbass.
Shut up, bro.
Okay,
Shift
bro.
lock isn't even useful in this game. I'm turning it off.
I'm gonna bludgeon him with this crate, bro. Wait, we can steal his boat, I think.
Can you? Oh, no, I think you need to
Go,
be in the
go,
same boat.
go. You could steal people's ships if you're in their crew, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I could for a second. You can't.
Bro, Platt,
17.
get back on.
Go, 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 go. Bro, where's the crow's nest on this?
There is none. We're
Shit.
broke right now, Platt. We gotta haul spices across the ocean.
No, it's testicles across the Indian Ocean,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, sorry. Testicles across the Indian Ocean. Help? Oh. Bro. Alright, Platt, get us out of here. I have cannonballs, I think.
Game.
Inventory.
Go, go, go.
Oh, wait, never mind. I'm trash. I have the shortest sword hilt and the shortest sword guard. Go, Platt.
What the fuck? Why am I so fast?
I don't know. Spam R. It increases the speed.
Yeah, I know. That's what
Also,
I
go to
did.
the right. There's an island over there that we can put our spice at. Straight. Alright, a testicle, sorry.
Yeah, bro.
ER
Testicle.
Co stands for Eat Rice, Co.
Eat rice.
Yeah, it just stands for Eat Rice.
Open.
What?
Nothing. No, eat rice. Come opener.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. How did I not think of that? Well, also, profit is shared between crew.
Well, damn. Okay. Are the supplies you get free, or do you have to pay for them?
You have to pay.
How do I know how much money I have?
Open your inventory and then doubloons.
Oh, we actually have doubloons here? Oh, I have 320 and one
Cash.
loyalty token.
You have what?
I have a loyalty token.
Haha, noob, I have 8 loyalty tokens.
Die.
No.
I don't even play this, bro.
No.
I mean, yes, I do. That's how I know you have to transport testicles.
Alright, see the dock?
Yeah?
Start coming up on the dock.
Really, bro? I should do that? I should do that?
Yeah.
You think I should? Alright, bro. Go, let's go. 17 doubloons. Sit down, dumbass.
No.
What?
Spam, turn the speed down a bit. Press F a few times.
There we go. We're about halfway speed. Shit, it's so slow. Oh my god. Alright, here we Imagine if this was a giant cargo ship.
That would just be funny.
17 doubloons.
Reply, you
She's a huge ass
ram
cargo.
into it. Oh my god, stupid. Alright, stop.
Okay. Where the fuck did my crate go?
I ate it.
How do I pick shit up? Oh,
Zuzi, we're recording a video right now. What do you want?
damn, 17 doubloons. Alright.
We're rich.
I'm
Hold on,
joining
let's buy
Wall.
stuff here.
I'm
You're
joining
going to
Wall.
the video? Alright, bro.
We have to buy
We're
stuff here.
transporting
Come on,
testicles across the ancient
buy
Indian Ocean.
cheese.
Looking off topic,
buy
you'll see
stuff,
something
buy
funny.
Buy
stuff.
cheese? Okay.
Let me check. But it's in your trunk. I'll find
Oh,
it.
I don't want to spawn a ship, stupid. Buy cheese.
I'll bring you your keys back.
Alrighty,
Oh,
I'm ready.
hell yeah.
Alright, hold on, I'll drive this time.
I purchased apples? How? It said cheese.
Alright, whatever, it's fine.
Cheese.
Ow.
Where's the cheese? Are we going just back and forth? Is that all
Yeah,
we're doing?
that's how you get a lot of money.
Why is there no water filter? That's so gay.
Zuzi, have you played Trade Lands before?
I think Zuzi left.
Yeah, I think Zuzu left. Yeah, Zuzu did leave.
Big black.
You gonna say the full thing, bro?
No. Okay, here's the question. How are you holding a crate and steering a ship?
Oh, I'm just God.
Okay.
These are the powers of the imposter.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Okay.
Giga brain move right there, son. Someone
I
just
don't
said
know.
that.
Brown kind of sus. Who is that dumbass over there?
Oh, I don't even know.
How much does the next ship cost?
I'm not sure.
17 doubloon.
We'll check after this run.
I just checked their Trello and it said that the next ship costs 17,000 doubloon. Not actually.
1,700 or 17,000?
Not actually.
How much is the next ship?
It was just a prank. I don't know how much the next ship is.
Oh, okay. Also, I'm pretty sure it's a wiki, not Trello.
Same thing, bro.
Holy crap, how's that dude ship so fast? Oh, he has paddles, that's why.
How is that dude's ship so fat?
He has a
Oh,
mortar on it, too.
that's a steamship, dumbass.
Why is there steamships in the freaking, like, 1600s?
I'm pretty sure. I don't think this is set in the 1600s.
What is this set?
The 1800s, which is when steamships were a thing. Uh-oh.
Don't worry about it.
How did our whole upper ship just phase through that?
Hold up, I'm docking.
You
There.
don't even need the dock.
Whatever.
Did I ask for fries, dumbass?
How much money do we have? Damn, we're rich.
Damn, I have 571 doubloons.
Alright, buy some more paper. Well, I think buying furniture would actually be more profitable.
It costs one thing.
No, that's wood. We need to get wood.
I don't fucking know how to get wood, so...
Get your
Oh,
axe and run over to the trees.
how do I sprint?
Shift.
Oh, so you just have to turn off shift block. Okay. Damn, bro. We're
I
so
got
good.
one oak. 2 oak.
Mine
Oh, I
is
got
this.
1 elm.
Which one's the axe?
You
Oh,
have
there
the
we
axe.
go.
Got 1 ebony.
I got 1 oak.
Oh, I think this tree gives you like random. I got 1 oak. Oh. Can you not break? Okay, let's go get furniture, bro.
We need a specific type of wood.
No, you don't know that.
Yeah, I do. It shows a specific color of wood.
Oh yeah, you're right. First, let's see how much the next ship costs.
Okay. If we can get a
I
better
think
ship,
that's
we're gonna...
mahogany.
How much is it?
No.
I keep getting fucking oak.
I just got cherry.
It might be cherry. It might be cherry.
Alrighty, I'll go check after this.
I hate how shitty your stamina is.
Well, hey, it's realistic.
It's realistic to me, IRL.
Yeah, same thing for me.
I hate how your character breathes weirdly.
Mhm. check. No, it's not cherry.
Wow. So gay.
I'm gonna mine some iron for now.
The different colored leaves don't even mean anything.
Yeah.
What if we cut down houses for wood?
Wouldn't that be considered property damage though?
No, bro. Not if I have my get out of jail free card.
Damn. How did you get it, bro?
I just pulled it out of a Monopoly package.
Oh.
Oh, you need mahogany for it. You need mahogany.
Yeah. I don't have any mail.
Is mahogany like a type of wood
Yeah.
that you get from trees?
Oh, I don't even know. Swivel gun. How do I make freaking There's a howitzer. You can make a
A bow?
goddamn howitzer.
How?
I don't even know. How much is a round shot? 5 iron. Okay, that's not that bad. Ranged weapons. Crossbow. 12 iron and 10 oak.
Alright. Where do I buy
Weapons.
shit?
I don't know. High quality metal. Bruh.
Loyalty merchant. Round shot. So high quality mold.
What is a paddle even used for? Hey, plot. Round shots.
Okay, mahogany's just a type of wood.
Cast iron, hardwood, steel, iron, and coal. Alright, I'm gonna go check out how to make another ship. General merchant. Premium merchant. Oh, so this is how you buy stuff with Robux. I understand now.
I can buy an advanced engine for 1,000 Robux.
Yeah, I know. It's retarded.
You can buy 100 mahogany
You
for
can buy a
40.
high quality mold with 10 loyalty tokens or 10 Robux. Carpenter's mallet for 500 Robux. Jesus
Bounty
Christ.
hunter.
100k doubloons for 1,000 Robux. Oh, you can buy 100 mahogany for 40 Robux.
Oh, you can build a ship. Fuck yeah.
You need vouchers for ships though.
Are you serious?
For the Robux ships, yeah, but for like ships that you can build. How do you even build ships?
It's a guy called Shipwright.
Where?
Or it's a guy with the title Shipwright.
Oh,
What?
build ship.
One of the ships is a literal barrel.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, you have to level up to unlock more.
Yeah. What? Why'd you
I
leave the
left the
crew?
thing by accident.
Retard alert, retard alert. All this slash invites. There.
What the fuck was that?
Loyalty merchants.
Look at the ships, bro.
Why?
Look at the ships at the dock.
What is Lord Gaben's blessing? Well, I can buy a high quality mold right now.
Hey, you want me? I want to show you my fucking bitch. I want to show you my bitch. This is bitch.
Damn, bro, looking
I
fresh.
named him bitch. He is green. He's entirely fucking
Please,
green.
bro, look at
He got a
Quick.
shirt now. Fuck it, military suit.
Alright, Plat, go
Fucking
to the dock.
green.
I'm there already.
I'm spawning in the ship.
Hey, Plat, you like you like?
The ship is spawned in already. Oh, what? You can randomize it?
I can randomize it.
Damn.
Bro, Plat.
Damn.
Plat, where are you?
At the dock.
Which, oh,
Did you actually just leave without me?
no. Get on.
We need supplies.
Yeah, I know. I'm coming
Fuck
to get
supplies. Who needs supplies?
Let's buy cocoa.
Cocoa? Okay.
It might be more profitable.
I have a tiny ass purple cape. Holy
What?
shit. Look at my tiny
Oh,
ass
it goes
cape.
to the front. Oh, does that mean we can buy 4 things? Look. Oh, look. If you do this. No?
I have a disease.
No,
My
you
character
can't.
has a
Alright, just
He
hang
has a-
on to it. Hang on to it, Plat. You drive.
bitch has a disease.
What? Did Corgoba leave?
Yeah, I think so. Why does everyone keep leaving?
Uh-oh.
What?
I just thought I was gonna hit the thing.
I bought round shots for a reason. Why can't I fire this cannon? I spent 2 loyalty tokens on him. Oh, so that's why I'm going slow as hell. The round shots like increase my weight by a
fuck.
crap ton. What? Oh.
Please don't shoot us. Thank you. Look at all their supplies! What the hell?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's kind of retarded.
They have like an 8-player crew.
If only we had that many.
Me bringing everyone into this VC and forcing them to join trade lands. There's no underwater filter and it looks so dumb underwater. Why don't we go over here this time?
Why?
We've gone there. We went there last time. Never mind. I'm a retard. Who joined?
Hey, Real. Why are you in here?
Oh, Aura's here. Let's go.
Real, why are you here?
Hi, Real. You're muted.
We're trying
You're
to
not-
play trade land.
Yeah, we're playing trade land. Real, bro.
Almost
Why-
jumped off. Why does everybody who joins
Yes.
this VC act strange?
I'm voice chatting on my phone.
Why?
I don't know. I can barely hear you guys, by the way.
Oh,
Oh crap, I'm gonna fall off.
sit down.
No.
I can barely hear you guys.
Phones on Discord are kind of low quality.
Yeah. Alrighty. Stop here.
What? Stop turning.
What?
13 doubloons.
Oh crap, it's... Oh crap, my...
Oh, you get more doubloons if you sell stuff
Yeah.
in groups. See you later,
it's gonna
bro.
crash.
No. You gotta buy stuff. Buy cheese.
Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet.
Crap!
Stop! Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me get hit. My parents are
What?
literally going to pummel my brains in if you do this.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Flat buy an extra one.
They're legitimately.
The fuck is going on with Rio?
Real's gonna get beat if he gets heard by his parents.
Oh. Okay,
Who
we
is that guy? We better get out of here quick.
see you later. Bye, bro. See you later.
Interior crocodile alligator.
Alligator. I drive a Chevrolet
Did you
movie.
just say you shit?
Maybe. I may have said that accidentally. I drive a Chevrolet movie. Nick,
Whoa.
who joined? Oh, or is back. Should we crash into their ship and steal their cargo?
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Crap!
I don't think we're
Take
fast
me from
enough.
the VC. Quick, quick.
Kick him from the VC, bro.
What? Go, go, go. I'm okay, come here. Come here, bro.
No, we're not fast enough. Oh, you're
So
gonna go to this island to the right?
we've been there.
Oh.
That's the place we were just at.
No, it's not.
Yes it is.
Do you
That's the
not see the
castle.
island to the right?
To the right.
Yeah. Is your graphics not all the way up?
Yeah.
Turn it all the way up.
My graphics are all the way up.
Do you not see to the right there's an island?
Oh, that one over there.
I don't think there's a cell dock over there, actually. Turn back.
Come back.
Turn back.
I'm trying.
No, you're not, bro.
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime. Bruh.
What? What is the game doing? Holy shit.
I wonder if you can join factions and train
Look.
lands.
Okay, for a second I thought our boat was broken in half.
Bruh. I'm gonna join the trade lanes Discord. I'm gonna see if there's faction advertisements. Get verified.
Me drinking water. Watch us get demonetized for the sound of the water.
Yeah, there's factions.
We're not joining one, bro. We're making one.
No. We gotta join one before we can make one.
Seriously.
Bro, I have to join a game to verify. Alright, first let's sell this.
Can't they just use Block's link?
Exactly. They have their own bot though. It's their own trade lands bot.
Who needs their own bot?
I know, right? Buying 9 cherry. Why are people buying like really low quantities?
Watch someone just say buying COVID-19 spores.
Why spores? COVID-19 doesn't come from a fungus.
Shut up, bro. Someone just says buying COVID-19.
110 pp. Someone just said. Is he talking about the Starscape currency, or is that the currency for this game too? Oh, I leveled up.
How?
I'm God.
How do you tell what level you are?
I don't know.
Buy cocoa. Buy cocoa. Cocoa's worth more.
No, I gotta go verify.
What? Go die.
Did your cocoa fall in the ocean?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Just like how the shape is Americans through the tea in the ocean. Alright, let's see. Can I get some mahogany? Oh my god. I hate the amount of stamina I have in this game. Wow.
Okay, that's enough of recording today.